Hello everyone! Today I wanted to tell you about two beautiful gemstones that I'm sure you have heard about. I'm talking about the ruby and the sapphire. But did you know that in fact they are the same gemstone? Indeed, both are minerals called corundum. Corundum is a mineral with hardness 9 in the Mohs scale. Remember that we were talking about the Mohs scale a few weeks ago, and it is only overcome by the diamond. The corundum is originally colorless, but during the crystallization process, as happened in most of the minerals, different particles can get caught inside, giving the mineral different colors. If those were chromium particles, then the mineral would get kind of a red, more or less intense color, and this is what we call the ruby. Instead, if those particles were titanium, those stones will have a more or less blue color, and this is what we will call the sapphires. However, not all sapphires are blue. Depending on the chemical elements, as you can see in this image, we can find yellow sapphires, orange sapphire, also called paparasha, pink sapphires, green ones, brown, violet, gray, or even colorless, sometimes used as if they were diamonds. The intensity of the color in all these gemstones will depend on the quantity of these elements, but not only that, also where they are located. Of course, the more intense and even the color is in a gemstone, the more expensive it can get. But we will learn that some laboratory processes can intensify the color and make it look more expensive than what it really is. We have to talk about it at some point because we have to be very well advised when buying a gemstone. But now have a look at these images. There are other very special types of corundum, which are the star ruby and the star sapphire. The star-like shape you can see moves around at the top of the cabochon-shaped stone as you turn it. It is normally a 6-ray star, and it's mainly caused by the presence of rutile needles inside. This is indeed a beautiful particularity that you can only find in these cabochon-shaped gemstones.